In this video, I will show you how to redeem a PlayStation gift card on your PS5. Now you can actually do this from your PS5 or from the PlayStation website. And to do it on your PS5, first things first, you have to make sure that your PS5 is actually connected to the internet, and you also have your PlayStation gift card ready and available for use. Over here, I have this PlayStation gift card I bought online. But you don't have to worry, it has exactly the same content as the physical one. Now what you just want to do is to head over to your PS5 and then select the specific profile you want to redeem your PlayStation gift card with. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select this particular profile. One thing you also have to keep in mind is the fact that the PlayStation gift card you get actually has to tally with the same country that is selected for your PS5. So if you have a different country from the country where you got your gift card, you might actually have an issue. But basically, to redeem your gift card, what you just want to do is to head over to the settings of your PS5. So come over to the settings icon, go ahead and select that. And then you just want to scroll down to where you have account and users over here. Select that. And what you just want to do is to scroll over to the right and then scroll downwards until you get to payment and subscriptions. Select that. And over here, you're going to see the redeem codes option. What you just want to do is to go ahead and select that option. And now you want to go ahead and enter the 12-digit character on your PlayStation gift card. This 12-digit character is usually labeled card pin, and sometimes it can actually be found on the back of your physical PlayStation gift card. In some gift card, you actually have to open up the gift card and you're going to find the card pin. And sometimes too, the card pin can be covered, so you can scratch it out and then just enter the card pin into this input field on your PlayStation. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and enter this card pin over here. You want to literally enter everything excluding the hyphen, so just go ahead and type everything exactly as they are without space. Just type everything inside of this input field over here. And once you're done entering the card pin from your PlayStation gift card, you just want to scroll down and click on the done option over here. So select that, and then it is just going to give you a summary of the PlayStation gift card you're about to redeem. And if it is correct, you just want to scroll down and then click on the redeem option over here. And automatically you can now see that you have added funds to your wallet. Now what you just want to do to confirm that this $10 has been added to your PlayStation wallet, you want to come over to the home of your PlayStation. So come over to the home, head over to your PlayStation store, and then where you have this latest over here, you just want to come over to that tab and then scroll horizontally until you get to this 3 dot icon over here. Select that. And from the top of your PlayStation store, you can now see that our wallet actually contains $10. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.